Hello friends, today we will learn opposite words. So let's start. Out, in, out and in. Top, bottom, top and bottom. Down, up, down and up. Laugh, cry, laugh and cry. Loud, quiet, loud and quiet. Push, pull, push and pull. Close, open, close and open. Fat, thin, fat and thin. Tall, short, tall and short. Big, small, big and small. Fast, slow, fast and slow. Empty, full, empty and full. Well, sick, well and sick. Day, night, day and night. Oh, young, old, young and old. Hot, cold, hot and cold. Heavy, light, heavy and light. On, under, on and under. Boy, girl, boy and girl. Dry, wet, dry and wet. Rich, poor, rich and poor. Off, on, off and on. Love, hate, love and hate. Bitter, sweet, bitter and sweet.